Yeah, so what's up? Today I got CELO CGLD and is ranked number 6 most held Coinbase. And here's the volume, the market cap, and I got today. This is what I got doing the rewards, which that was pretty cool, and I got to learn about it. CELO is the core utility reserve, staking, and governance asset for the CELO platform. The platform aims to make financial tools borderless, easy to use, and accessible for anyone with a mobile phone. So it's kind of like you send money, and then if you have a mobile phone, it's kind of like more convenient, instant, uh, and I'm gonna tell you about the Citigroup chair. Dick Parsons joins for the crypto firm CELO. Citigroup is a big bank, and they just started investing in CELO. Let me close this out. Here it talks about Parsons. It says he's one of the first major banking executives to jump into the crypto sector. And let's read what's really important. A big name from the banking world is going crypto. Dick Parsons, who served as the chair of Citigroup in the wake of the financial crisis in 2009, is joining the board of CELO Foundation, a non-profit tied to the startup that specializes in blockchain services for mobile phones. Parsons is a prominent figure in the business world as a result of his successful tenure at Citi, but also for blazing a trail as one of America's first black CEOs in the early 2000s. Alright. Let's see what he says. He said, according to CELO spokesperson, Parsons joined the startup because he wanted to be abreast of the next big thing, cryptocurrency, and because it will provide a new outlet for his philanthropic work. Parsons views crypto as an important new tool for financial inclusion. This is how you know crypto is going to grow, and CELO is going to be a good investment because of what they are. The CELO Foundation and its 130 global member organizations are addressing a critical need, especially for the bottom billion who don't have access to traditional financial services and tools. Parsons said in a statement sent by CELO. CELO, which is earlier this year raised $20 million from the blue chip venture capital firms, aspires to be a blockchain rival to Venmo. The company's boosters say it offers a breakthrough technology in the form of letting users access crypto payments simply by using a phone number, a level of simplicity that could lower barriers to using crypto, especially in developing countries. Katie Horn of Anderson Horowitz, one of the firms backing CELO, recently told Decrypt that the company offers a full stack global payments platform with far lower fees than other money transfer services. The addition to his board of Parsons, whose philanthropic experience includes leading the Rockefeller Foundation and the Jazz Foundation of America, is likely to help CELO in its self-proclaimed missions to build a financial system that creates the conditions for prosperity for everyone. So that's not important. So CELO, it's basically like a mobile platform that you can send anyone money just by putting in their phone number, and it's pretty cool because it's convenient, it's fast, and you can send it all over the world. Here's a little bit about it, that way you can see. Alright, here we go.
Meet Zoe. She's tech-savvy, always connected, and gets everything done on her mobile phone, like shopping for groceries, hailing a ride, or catching up with friends. If money could be this convenient, accessible, and borderless, what could it do for Zoe, her community, and the world? This is CELO's mission, to empower Zoe and the 6 billion smartphone users worldwide with accessible financial tools that allow them to unlock the benefits of blockchain technology and stablecoins right from their mobile devices. No bank account or additional hardware required. Using the CELO platform and the first stablecoin supported on the platform, CELO dollars, Zoe can send funds to a friend or family member globally as easily as sending a text message. She can also contribute to causes she cares about, or even provide a microloan to her favorite small business to support them. Since CELO is mobile-friendly, Zoe can send funds straight to a mobile number, even if the recipient doesn't have a crypto wallet yet. CELO makes this possible through a number of technical innovations. First, an on-chain public key infrastructure links phone numbers to public keys, so there are no long, complicated crypto wallet addresses to manage. All Zoe needs is her phone number. Second, the CELO platform is fast. Blockchains are known for slow speeds, requiring nodes to download gigabytes of transaction history data before exchanging funds. CELO eliminates the need to verify all previous transactions and allows instantaneous verification of the blockchain using advanced ZK-SNARK cryptography. This gives the CELO platform a 17,000x reduction in the amount of data needed to sync with the network, allowing Zoe to easily make a payment or send funds within seconds. Third, CELO dollars, the first stablecoin that can be sent directly using just a mobile phone number, allows Zoe to make fast, low-cost transactions on the go. They can even be used to pay for transaction fees, unlike on other platforms. Finally, CELO also works across different carriers and countries, enabling access to financial services from almost any mobile phone in the world. And since CELO is an open platform, any organization can use, contribute to, and build on top of the technology to create mobile-first financial solutions that can be accessed by any mobile phone user like Zoe. By making cryptocurrencies easy to use, CELO aims to support greater access to financial tools and services, helping to create new opportunities for individuals and communities worldwide.
There you go. You can find it in Coinbase, and as you see right here, I completed the videos, the lessons, and I received $2 for every lesson. The link is in the bio. Download it, and you're gonna get $5. And then if you set up the recurring by 50 or more, you earn 5 extra on your second recurring to buy. And I just did the new cipher, and I did 2 of them, and I earned $1 for each. I still have one left, but there's many rewards. As you see here, I got $1 worth of fourth. Got another one here, another one here, and I did the CELO, the one I just showed you. I got 2 for $6, and then I got the graph 1, 2, 3, and Stellar, my favorite, Stellar Lumens. I got 2, 4, 6, and I got 10 altogether. And I got Compound, which I got $9 worth. I still have a few left, but check it out. It's pretty good. You're getting money for just basically just learning about crypto. So my balance right now is $33.43, as you see, and right here it says $10.45 for the Stellar, Compound $8.89, CELO $6.03, and the graph is $3.04, Ample Force Governance $3.02, new cipher I got $2. So basically I started a portfolio of just learning about different cryptos, which is pretty cool. Why not learn? You can, if you want, you can withdraw this amount, and you can withdraw it straight to your bank account. So it's either you keep the cash or just leave your investment there. But like and subscribe, share. Thank you.